guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Sports Crate. Now this is the December box. I also have, it's an every other month subscription, so I also have the October and the August boxes. Now the reason that I have those two boxes already unboxed is because I filmed unboxing videos for both of those boxes and the footage was corrupted. No idea how it happened. I was super upset. I got like the intros came through fine, and then all of a sudden all my audio disappeared. So I had all the video footage but no audio. And I was just like, I can't. I already opened everything up. Some of the stuff I had already, like, I gave it to my husband and I was gonna give out stuff. I'm like, oh no, I gotta get everything back. So yeah, so I do have those items. I'm gonna go through them really quickly. But first, I wanna do the most recent box, which is this December Sports Crate. So as you can see, I subscribe to the Yankee box. So this is the New York Yankees edition, the MLB box Diamond Crate. So Sports Crate is, I think it's the same company as Loot Crate, and this is an every other month subscription, and it has MLB licensed items. Generally, every single box I've gotten has had a shirt, a t-shirt, or the shirt I'm wearing right now, a long sleeve shirt. So this was like something I think I got last year for Christmas, around Christmas time. It'll have other wearables like, you know, caps, fitted caps. It'll have socks, gloves, and then household items sometimes, and figures as well. Not as many figures. I think they're still trying to figure out how to do the right type of action figure or that kind of collectible figure, because they did start out with them and then I think there was quality control issues. They weren't very posable the way an action figure is supposed to be, so they kind of stopped doing those exclusive figures. But regardless, as we all know, MLB licensed items are super expensive. So this box, I believe, is about $30. It might be a little more with shipping. I'm not sure. I'm going to put all the info, as always. I'm going to link it down below. You can check it out yourself. And even with that, though, an MLB licensed shirt alone could be $15 to $20, depending on if it's a long sleeve, a raglan, or a t-shirt, or you know, a tank top. All different types. They're always more expensive than your basic run-of-the-mill shirt. So enough chatter. Let's get into the December box, and then we'll quickly go through the other two boxes. So, oh, did I not have my knife? Well, I think the little stickers are kind of coming out. Yep, I got it. All right, so there's the little sticker. One thing I don't like is, as you saw, the only thing holding this box closed was that little sticker, which I just peeled off in an instant. Usually it's a little more, you know, a little more sealed up. But this month, I don't know. And I don't really like that, because anyone could just open this box, take out some items, and I would never know the better, and then reseal it. So I would really prefer that they seal it better, maybe more tape, or that they put it within another box or bag the way other subscriptions do. So this is what we got for December's MLB Diamond Crate. All right, I hope you can see that. Okay, let's see. Oh, you basically saw nothing. All right, clearly this is some kind of scarf. So let's use my handy dandy table on the side. I decided to change my background a bit. I'm filming in my living room. It's a little more spacious. Oh yeah, oh, it's a scarf. And as you can see right here, there it is, MLB licensed. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I should have opened this sooner. Well, it's still winter. Okay, so here we have, this is our scarf, and you can see right there, very nice detailing. It's kind of like the same pattern as my shirt. So this goes really well. It's almost like a Fair Isle style, I guess. Yeah, it's like a Fair Isle scarf. Very nice. Oh, and it's both sides. So whichever side you decide to put, you're good to go. Oh, it matches nicely. There we go. You just put it right there over your jacket or a blazer or something, and then it's perfectly positioned. Like the Yankee logo is right here. So even if you don't like the Yankees, they have other MLB teams. So You know, if you like the Red Sox or the Cubs, and it'll pretty much, the boxes have the same items, but with the logos of your team of preference. Ooh, next item, we got some more gloves. We got gloves another time. I forgot which box it was. It was probably last year, also for around the holidays. But those were much, like, simpler. All right, packaging. Okay, here we go. It's like childproof. Okay, there we go. Ooh, these are very nice. Look at these. Very nice gloves. They're thick, very nice and thick. And this is very nice. It's like really in there. It's not like an iron-on patch or anything. Ooh, they're a little big on me, but that's fine, you know. I have small hands. And these are very, very nice. I like these a lot. Ooh. I can't wear them for the video though, I don't think. I don't know what else is in the box, but I might need some dexterity since I have so little of it anyway. But these are very nice. Okay, we have a lanyard. All right, basic lanyard, very nice, very thick. And then over here, which is cool, if you have your keys or whatever attached, you can just, you know, unclip it from here, but still have the lanyard attached to your neck. So I really, really like that. So this is very nice. And again, MLB license, this is an amino product. Yeah, the crown of excellence, it says. So get a little closer there if you can see that. And if you can see, oh, I have it upside down. A little better maybe. Okay, so we have lanyard, and our final item, ooh, we have some Yankee playing cards. These are nice. Let's see if I can figure out how to open these. Alright, so that was unnecessarily difficult to unwrap, but that might just be me. You might be able to unwrap it much faster. Let's see what these cards look like. Ooh, very nice. Oops. So they're basic cards on the other side. You know, your basic playing cards right there. And then here we have the Yankees pinstripes and the logo. Very nice. They're all the same on the back. You know, not different designs or anything. There's nothing clever on the cards or anything. Like, you know, the queen isn't some weird baseball figure or anything. It's just basic, the usual deck of cards, but the backs are pinstripes. That's kind of nice. I like that. It's simple, you know, and it's nice. Like, shows you're a fan. So that is all we have in the December box, and I for one, I'm happy about it. So here we have our little spoiler card, and it's the theme was Gear Up. So for December, it was Gear Up. We got team gloves, a team scarf, playing cards, and a lanyard. So there's a little close-up so you can see it for yourself. And you can see on the bottom some of the other teams. So that's really cool. I like this. I think I love the wearables. Like, out of everything in the box, the wearables to me are the best part of this box. I like all the other stuff, you know, the cute little home items. Sometimes they'll give you like bottle openers, etc. But for me, this is where the money's at, because obviously, you know, MLB licensed wearables are expensive. And these are not cheap quality. These are very good quality items, and, you know, you can tell they feel expensive. So I really like this. This is actually, whew, I'm sweating just wearing it. This is very thick. So this is an awesome item. I really like this. So I'm gonna put this all, there's nothing else in the box. So I'm gonna put these back in the box because I wanna quickly go through the previous 2 months. So here we're gonna go through really quickly. I wanna show you what was in the August box. So the August theme was long ball. And these are the items we got. So we got a keychain. You can see that right there, Yankee logo. We got a Lil Teammates figure. You can see him right there. And this little 3-inch figure. He's super cute. We got wearables, and we got a pair of socks right here. Sports Crate exclusive Parkway socks. And these are very nice and thick. Very good quality. You can see the logo right there. Then we got our shirt. So hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know. Okay, there. So this is the t-shirt. Again, really nice. I like the, you know, it's a thick material, like not too thick, but nice for a t-shirt. Like it's not cheap. And this is cool, like how to go long ball. So how do you hit a long ball? I like that. That's cute. So that was the August box, and then quickly we'll go to the October box. So the October theme was that 70s crate. Okay, and in here we had a button set. Then we also had a wallet. So this is just like one of those Velcro wallets. So this is sporty, you know, it's not like the most expensive wallet, but it's good for like if you're active, you know, you go hiking or something, or you don't want to take like something heavy, like a leather wallet or something. This is nice to take with you because it's on the lighter side and it's more waterproof, I think, because it's just because it has like that, not vinyl, but it's more of a water resistant material. So this is really nice. I like this. I gave this to my husband because he claimed it for his own. Then the cool thing, we got this big mama. So we got a cooler. So here you can see it right there. It has the logo in the front. It has a little pocket right here. And then inside, it's pretty big. It's a nice little cooler. It's insulated. I really, really like this. Like this is something that I definitely would use because sometimes I don't want to take, you know, my big massive cooler to the park or to the beach. And this is good maybe just to put like ice packs with water, you know, or, you know, sandwiches, you know, with a few ice packs if you don't want them to get smushed with like the bottles and stuff, or cans in the bigger cooler, stuff like that. So I really like it. The only thing that would have made this exactly perfect would have been an adjustable strap, because this one is not bad, but it's kind of like the one that you put, you know, on your arm here. Like you can't really put this on your shoulder. It's not, no, that's not gonna work, especially once it's full of stuff. Yeah, so it would have been nice if it was adjustable to make it longer so you could put it on your shoulder maybe. But whatever, you can always hold it with your hand or in the crook of your elbow, it's fine. Although, you know, that gets painful after a while when it's really heavy, but I really like that. And then finally, for this crate, we got a Raglan t-shirt. So this is the shirt we got. Very, very nice. Good material, good quality. You can see right there. It has the, on the bottom here, it has the Yankee logo. So you can see it right there. I'm trying to make sure it's, I can't tell if it's all in frame. There you go. So this is nice. I get an extra large men's because I don't know what's up with the women's cuts, but the sleeves are super tiny and like they're not that long. I'm like, all right, I understand you're trying to get us to show skin and booty and whatever the heck, but no, that's not me. I want nice, sporty, full cover clothing. You know, the only thing that sucks is sometimes it's like a little up on the neck, but whatever. I'd rather that than like to feel like I'm all like uncomfortable in supposedly sporty clothing. I want to feel comfortable, so this is perfect. I love it. And that was all the items. So I know this is extra long. It's 3 boxes. Hopefully, you know, I edit it down a bit because I know I ramble a bit, but love Sports Crate. I already renewed for another year, so expect to see more unboxings now in 2019. But yeah, I love it. I love it. So if only I was into more sports, I'd get other teams. But I'm pretty horrible. If they come out with some soccer stuff, oh my God. If they did like FIFA, it would be a wrap. I would be like, what? I'm gonna get the Colombia box. I'm gonna get the USA box. I'm gonna get the Croatia box. Yes, bring it. Sports Crate, Loot Crate, whoever runs your company, if you are listening, ooh, do FIFA. Please, por favor. That would be so amazing. Yeah, I would have to like subscribe to 3 different teams right there. But yeah, so if you like my video, if you like my channel, hit the like button, click the subscribe. Let me know you're out there. Bye bye for now.